In this FluencyLink tutorial video, you'll learn how to delete assessments and questions. There are two key rules to follow. 1. If a question is part of an assessment, you cannot delete it. 2. If an assessment has been assigned or attempted, you cannot delete it. To delete a question, you must first remove it from any assessments or delete the assessments. To delete an assessment, you must first unassign it from all classes or groups. Doing this will also delete any reports related to those classes. Here are two questions that are part of an assessment. As you can see, there is no delete button. This assessment has not been assigned, so I can delete it right away. Now, if I look at the question that was part of that assessment, I can now delete it. This assessment was assigned, so I need to first unassign it. After I go into Assign, click Edit, click the X for each class or group, then Save. This confirmation message reminds you that you will lose the record of student responses. After unassigning a test, you may still not see the delete button here. However, if you open the test in View mode, you should see the delete button here. Now I can also delete this question, which was part of the assessment I just deleted. One final note is that you will not be able to delete publisher-provided questions. You will only be able to delete questions custom-made by yourself. Thanks for watching.